second day of quadratics, we'll start with this slide right here. Which one doesn't belong? And we'll discuss A, B, C, or D. Which one do you think doesn't belong? And there's, of course, no right or wrong answer. It's just, can you justify your answer? So which one did you pick, and can you justify it? We'll do a review problem. So these are called diamond problems, and we talked about patterns that we noticed yesterday in solving. You might see diamond problems also written as X's. So here's what mine look like when I put them as X's. And if you remember the pattern for a diamond problem, if you have the two side numbers and if you multiply them, you get the top number. And if you have the two side numbers and you add them, you get the bottom. All right, so we have to think in this first problem, what number times 2 is 30? And that would give us 15. And then we'll add them together to get the bottom number. 15 plus 2 is 17. For the second problem, again, the top is the product and the bottom is the sum. So since we have the sum is 15, we have to think, all right, 7 plus what number is 15? And that would give us 8. And then we can multiply them together. 7 times 8, what would that give us for a product? And that would be 56. And the reason why we're doing these diamond problems is you'll see some of these same patterns as we start to explore quadratics in this unit. What are quadratics? Well, the warm-up also had a picture of the quadratics. Right here, these are all examples of quadratics as well. So the goal of today's lesson really is we're going to build this catapult. And we're going to build a catapult that launches a marshmallow and talk about the trajectory of the marshmallow and how that relates to quadratics. So hopefully you have your supplies. If you don't have your supplies, I'll still be putting you in groups so you can help the groups figure out how you can use these supplies to build a catapult. So when you have the materials, it includes, and hopefully I counted them out right for each bag, we have 6 small popsicle sticks, 3 large popsicle sticks, 6 rubber bands, a plastic spoon, a straw, and a marshmallow. It says to be received after you have designed and built your catapult, but they're already in the bag. They're probably stale. All right. So in class, we'll split you into groups, and on Zoom also into groups. And I want you guys to figure out how can you use these supplies to build a catapult. So even if you don't have the supplies, you can help out, brainstorm, or you can look up, like, how are you going to build a catapult that can launch a marshmallow? So you'll be given 5 minutes to discuss, like, what might your design look like? Where might you go to find how to do this? And so on. And once you guys have found what you needed or come up with a plan, we'll discuss in the main room. And then we'll go over, okay, what's a good design for this? What does that look like? And then you'll have 25 minutes to build, test, and revise your catapult. More if you need it, that's fine. But ultimately, you'll want to build a catapult, and then your assignment will be this. Okay, so build a catapult, and then you need to take a video of launching the marshmallow. In the video, you must show the catapult at all times, as well as the path of the marshmallow, including its highest point and where it lands. Don't move the camera with the marshmallow, so the camera should be stationary, and the reason is we're going to be taking screenshots from the video to analyze the path of the marshmallow during our next synchronous class. So get a video. If you do not have the supplies and cannot make the catapult, then you will have the alternate assignment. It is on a site called Quizzes. You're going to go to the link on Google Classroom and practice your diamond problems. And then also I'm going to have you send me a video. Can you find a video of a good marshmallow catapult? So again, if you don't have the supplies, you'll have this alternate assignment I'll put on Google Classroom for you, 2 things for you to do. If you do have the supplies, then your job will be to make the catapult and take a video of your of launching the marshmallow. And we're going to be taking the screenshots of this assignment, and we'll be using it in our next assignment. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, either you'll be doing the alternate assignment, which is diamond problems and finding a video of a marshmallow catapult, or you'll be actually building the marshmallow catapult and taking a video of the path of your marshmallow as you launch it.